Back, Naji here. So we are continuing our discussion with Azure Machine Learning. So I have logged into Azure Portal. Okay. Now we are going to create a workspace. So in our previous video, we have discussed about the workspace and its dependencies and resources. Okay. So in this video, we are going to create the workspace. So for that, if you want to create that, we have to click on this Azure Machine Learning. Okay, so maybe this will be available in our recent menu. Otherwise, we can just search for it. We can search for Azure Machine Learning. Azure Machine Learning. We can search it also from here. Okay, so now let me click on this Azure Machine Learning. So we will have a screen something like this. Here we can click on this create. Can click on the new workspace. So here we have the subscription. So I'm using the pay as go. If you guys have like a freeware or the free maybe free tokens, then you guys can use that. Now let me create a new resource group. Maybe I can create a training video resource group. I can create. Okay. Here I can give a workspace name. Workspace name is a training 001. Okay, so here the region is Eastern US, East US. Then I can select. Then we have like a different storage account is also creating. Okay, storage account is there, key vault is there, application insights also creating, and container registry is empty. So if you look on this particular architecture, we can see that when we create a workspace, this will automatically create Azure storage, Azure container registry, Azure vault, and the application insights. Okay, so that's what we are going to see here. Now next, click on the networking. Okay, I can make it as a public for the time being. Go to encryption. So I'm just selecting the manager keys. Here we have identity, also selecting as a credential based. So default setting we are using. Here we can give, if we want to give any tag, we can give it here. Okay, so for the time being, I'm going to make it as empty. Now click on the review and create. Okay, so this is here. Okay, it's taking. Okay, so the validation is passed. Now I'm going to create. So click on the create button. So this will initialize the deployment. We can see the status here. Okay, and it is submitting the deployment. Okay, which is also in progress. Okay, so this will take a couple of minutes. Okay, you guys can do a fast forward or just watch what is actually happening while deploying. Okay, so here we can see that storage account is accepted. Okay, key vault is there, that is also done, and log analytics workspace, that is also created. Okay, so deployment is still in progress. Okay, okay, so the here log analytics workspace, then application insights is also there. So this is also creating. Okay, deployment still in progress. See, these are the resource group that you have given, like training video. Okay, and this is the subscription is pay as you go. So if you are selecting this particular pay as you go, so ensure that you are deleting it properly. Okay, otherwise you may get charged. Okay, so deployment is done. Now we can go to the resource. Okay. So this is our resource. So we can have a quick look on this resource. Okay, so here we have the resource name and location and subscription and the store. This is our storage, and this is the URL that we can access the studio, and key vault and the application insights. Okay, so the one important thing is that config.json. This contains all the necessary key value pairs, necessary information that we will able to connect with some Python programming language. Okay, so we can download this config and we can make use this particular, using this config we will able to connect with this particular resource. Here we can see our activity logs are there, IAM is there, and tags are there. Tags are actually empty here. And when you come here, we can see the metrics, alerts, logs, and everything is there. Okay. So in our coming videos, we can go through all the menus in detail. Okay. So for this video, I think we have covered how to create the resources and its basic details, like what all things we will be get after creating a workspace. Okay. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.